Let's go. I'll see you soon, bicycle. They're going really fast.
Here we are on the waterfront trail,
Here we are.
and we're heading to the waterfront.
No,
And where are we heading?
to the bridge. Beep. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Daddy,
Yeah.
we're driving on the road. We're going to the bridge. Daddy, are we?
At the crossroad, we'll slow down and wait for
It's gonna jump. Oh,
cattle.
that's a big jump. That was a really big jump.
Sure was. Here, corner, slow down.
We're going to the bridge. Are we, Daddy? Daddy, where are we heading? Where are we heading?
Heading to the bridge.
To the small bridge or big? Big? Because I think so. Let's go to the puddles. You went on the grass. You don't go to the mud. Your bike will get dirty if you go to the mud. Papa? Papa?
Yeah.
Let's spell words.
Yeah.
Should we spell words or no?
Okay.
Let's spell words. How do you spell how? H-O-W. How. How do you spell say? How do you spell say? S-A-Y. Say. Daddy, we're almost there. Oh. Papa?
Yeah.
This is a really tight squeeze. Look at all these cars. Daddy, the cars are so colorful. The cars are so colorful. They're racing. The cars are racing really fast. We'll have to stop here. The light is red. Because it sure is. It sure is red.
Yeah.
It's green. bell.
Andy?
Yeah. I like your bell. Can I ring the bell if they're not paying attention? Who is ringing the bell?
I am.
Why? Because it was not me. The bike ring the bell. Papa,
Yes.
because I don't mess up with my cable.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have extra money to fix it. Because you don't have extra money to fix it.
Sure.
If we break it, it'll our black bike will break. It's $35. That's a big jump.
It was.
That's what it sure is.
Can you press the screen? That's about it.
Daddy,
Yeah.
we're almost there.
Almost there.
Hey, there's a windmill there.
Oh, look at that windmill.
It's moving really slow.
Look at that.
It spins like a fan. Daddy,
Yeah.
it spins like a fan.
Yeah.
almost there. Daddy,
Yeah.
because I love riding a bike. Was it a fun ride? Why are you ringing the bell? Whew. We're late. Daddy,
Yes.
we are late every night. Every single night.
Yeah. Better get up early in the morning tomorrow.
I cannot sleep all the time.
Yes.
You have to come with me to the bridge in the morning.
Do something fine.
You went to the puddles. Papa, why are you ringing the bell? Papa? Because they're not paying attention. Can I ring it? Was it a fun ride? Because it sure is.